Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share my experience about my life. It's been for uh, maybe 15 years or maybe 17 years ago when I was in the village. I have a very heartbreaking, uh, uh, heartbroken experience because of why. I will show you. Firstly, I will show you a video. Look at this video first. Yeah, you see the video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the religion, but I respect all of the religion. But I would like to share my experience. Like I have a big buffalo, and he's really big and very handsome. At the time, we don't have any camera, we don't have phone. Uh, especially, I would like to mention attachment is not really good, especially animal to human being, because we cannot talk to each other. Even we understand what they want to say. When we look their face, their eye, we understand each other. But I had a small chicken 18 years ago. Small chicken, and then at that night, my brother-in-law come to my house. And so my sister, she want to feed to my brother-in-law a chicken. So they killed my small chicken. In the village, actually, we don't have food. Like we don't have meat. One of a guy killed my small chicken. At the time, my heart was broken. At first time, my heart's broken, and then I don't understand about the attachment. I just feel like it's good, and then next a few years, I had a small cat, kitty. I took care of him when he was only 1 month, 1 week, about maybe 3 years, 4 years. We love each other, and he should how he loved me. So when he sleep, he sleep on my chest here, like we hug each other. And then after that, suddenly felt he has some kind of disease. He cannot eat. He cannot walk. At the time, we don't have like a vet for the animal, like the clinic. We don't have that. So I try to help him to get alive again. But we don't know what we should do. But he loved me, Wherever I go, he want to follow me. When I look at his face, it means I understand he don't want to go away. He just want to stay with me. I think he is only 4 years, and we have long relationship. At the time I cry a lot. Nobody know my feeling, Only my mom. My mom just understand what the feeling. So I like my sister and my father. I like you're stupid. You're silly. That's animal. You don't need to cry. They always say me. You don't need to cry. That's animal. And at the time, I don't still realize that the attachment, love, and after a few years, my father bought a buffalo for me. This buffalo very handsome, and I feed him food every day, and then he really like salt. I give him salt every day. At the time I just go to the middle school, and whenever I go home, whenever I arrive home, he always waiting me, look at me all the time, starting from enter my house, and then he always expected from me what I'm going to bring some sort for him. But one day, my father told him, I didn't know. And at that time, my heart just broken again. Maybe I think someone may have an experience like me. So I decided from now, I don't want to have like this puppy, a kitty, and any animal, because when I see this kind of video, my heart just broken. I just remember this week around, even miss my buffalo, my kitty, and my chicken. So after my father sold my beautiful buffalo, I understand my father, he need money. So he sold my buffalo. At the time they didn't tell me they're going to sell my buffalo. What a sad day. When I come back home, just finished school in the evening time, my buffalo always sitting under the tree, waiting for me every day. After that, I arrived at home. I didn't see the buffalo at the time. My father, my father didn't tell me anything, and then I cried. I won't waste my buffalo. And then my father didn't say anything, but my mom told your father to show you buffalo. You don't have buffalo anymore. At that time, I feel so bad because the buffalo only 4 years old. It made me sad, and it made me the mind don't have more attention with the animal because I think I have the warmth because I'm not I feel like me. I am very strong, but in my heart is very weak. When I see someone very, so that's why I try to help a lot of people, as much as I can. I don't want to see someone have in trouble, And so what I did message today in this video, I would like to say I don't have more attachment with the animal, especially those animals. They understand the people, the person was saying. So that's why I after that day I don't. After that day, I don't eat any beef. That's not the religion. That's my belief because I love animals. I don't want to see they crying. Even if someone kill a mom and then the baby will cry. But we know they have to die. And if someone kill a baby, the mom will cry. Can you imagine if that someone kill a mom and a baby? This is really bad. So yeah, that's in this world, this will happen. If you don't kill them, someone will kill you. Someone will kill them. So we cannot say stop it. So I just decided I am not trying to control what I can't. So I just try to think another way. I don't want to have a good attachment. I don't want to love with the animal because it's already made me sad. In my life, I have really sad only 3 times, so I don't have more any pet, any animal. So because when I look this kind of video, it made me really sad that I'm not talking about the religion. They can do what they believe. I just want to compare with my experience and my life because sometimes the religion is sometimes make me more overthinking, and want to get message today. So I don't love any animal. I don't want to have in my house, like a puppy or any small pet, because it's always make me heartbroken, and I don't want to my heart broken anymore. So no, I don't eat beef, chicken sometimes. But today I just want to say when I see this video, it's making me really sad. And thank you for today. So it's not like discriminate, it's not judgment for the religions, but I just want to say the connection between me and my buffalo and my kitchen and my cat. So it's been for a long time. So thank you for today. So have a good day and love animal. Thank you. Bye bye.